So guys, I'm starting another video here that I'm continuing with more analysis. So let me talk about a different concept here. So I'll explain to you that this is my resistance area. This is my resistance area here. I think up to now you understand. I don't have to do a recap. I don't have to do a recap of that video. So I was explaining something called psychology behind the formation of these candlesticks, right? So as you see here, we have a market that was falling, right? Let me explain something here. We have a market that was falling, right? It started from this support area, then it got up, it got up to here, right? It got up to there. Then we had a pullback, right? We had a pullback. This is our pullback up to here. That is our pullback, right? This is our pullback up to there. So if this is our pullback up there, that means that this is our demand area. This is our demand area, and we can mark it. And identify it as our demand area, as our demand area, right? So that is our area. So we can buy here. Guys. So what normally happens in the forex trading market, with this concept I want to explain here. This candle that you see here with a bigger body and kind of along with this one, leave alone this one. This one is a shooting star. It's called a shooting star. This one is a shooting star. Then this one is called a hammer candle. This blue one, this is a bullish candle. Remember the bearish candle. Remember you have the bearish candle, which are the red candles, and you have the bullish candle, which are the green candles. So this candle, we normally call it a hammer candle. It normally signifies that the price of an asset, the price of this asset, which is BTC, is very soon appreciating in value, right? So this is a hammer candle. Then this is a what? A shooting star candle. A shooting star candle simply gives us a signal that the price is doing what? Is depreciating. It's depreciating, right? So now I want us to mark our areas that we can get in the market. Our areas that we can click buy or sell. You can click sell or buy, guys. So how do you click buy or sell? So what we normally do, once we identify this pullback, once we get this identify this support area, we will look the candles that are formed in that area, like a candle like this. In this candle, we normally call it a bullish spindle bar. As a bullish spindle bar candle. A bullish spindle bar candle, it normally normally gives us a signal that the price of this asset, of this BTC, is appreciating very soon. It will appreciate very soon, and its price will get higher, right? So when we get in an area like this and we get a candle that has formed, which is called a spindle bar like this, guys, you should click buy immediately, right? You can see, you are seeing here when I click buy button, it's telling me that not enough money, right? I will explain to you that later why I'm not trading right now, because I'm only doing what? I'm only creating this video for education purpose, not for trading purpose. You see. So what I can tell you is that when you click buy here, where the price is, where the price is right now, where the price is right now, where the price was, where the price was right, where the price was, you can find that that price was at 98,088.80, right? At 98, 150, at 98, 98,088.80, right? That is where the price was. So if you click that buy, because the price closed, this was our demand. This was our demand. There is some background noise and get some confusion, but let me give you the right information. So this is where our demand area is. But then if you did buy in this market, you should have clicked buy at this area, right? Which was at a price of 107,037.15, right? That is the area that should have bought that asset called BTCT. That is the area that you have bought that asset called BTC. So if you bought there, then it means that you could have put your target. You could have put your target here. You could have put your target here, which was our previous area of resistance, guys. That was our previous area of resistance, right? And our previous area of resistance, the price was 111,933.42. So if you get the difference between 111,933.42 and 107 and 37.15, the difference we get in between here, that is the profit that you could have made if you bought BTC is at this area, at this price, right? So your entry was here, and then your target was here, right? And guys, we have something called stop losses. Stop losses is the area that you set that if your analysis is correct, your trade will close automatically, so that you get out with a small loss. Okay, you get out with a small loss. So maybe if your buying area was here, if you bought here, that was your entry, then your stop loss would have been at this area. At this area, right? So if you bought at 107,037 and 37.15, then you could have set your stop loss to be at 96,000, to be at 96,906.94. That is the area you could have exit that market. Suppose your analysis was wrong, right? Suppose your analysis was wrong. This is the area that you could have left that market, so that you don't do what? You don't get out there with a much loss, right? So your stop loss will be here, then your stop loss will be here, then your target will be at this area, the previous area of what? Of resistance. Okay, let us move on. So what else do you have? What else do I have to explain, guys? What else do I have to explain? So let me decide to take to do to change the portrait, to auto rotate this screen of mine so that I can explain some things right here. I can explain some things right here. I think, guys, you are seeing my cursor. It is moving, and then more things are visible. So let me explain to you some things here. Like you can see, like you can see this box here. This box is normally something that just directs you on your execution. It simply directs you if you want to do execution, market execution. Then you have this one. This one, it simply directs you to pick your orders. To pick your orders, right? So we have several orders here. I'll talk about orders in several videos. First order here we have market execution. And market execution, guys, is whereby you click buy or sell button instantly. You see, you click sell or buy instantly. Then you have a buy limit. A buy limit, when you click this buy limit, you are simply explaining to your broker. I'll explain about brokers sometimes later. I'll explain about brokers sometimes later. So if you click that buy limit, it simply tells you that you are going to put a limit order, right? Let's say your analysis is telling you that this market is doing what? Is falling down, and it will come back. It will come back up to this area, right? So you can put your buy limit. You can put your buy limit. This thing you can just play with it that way. Let us come back. This you can auto rotate your gadget, guys. I'm using this gadget because I've found that some of my students are using their phones to do what? To do their market analysis. So you can auto rotate it and find some more orders. You can find some orders using your gadget, right? Gadget, using your gadget. Okay, you can find more orders using your gadget. Here, yes, buy stop. Yeah, these are called orders, guys. These are called your pending. We normally call them pending orders. Like a buy stop limit is a pending order. Sell limit is a pending order. Buy stop is a pending order. Which one? Buy stop limit is a pending order. Yeah. So let's say you want to set your pending order maybe at this area. You want to place your pending order at this area. So I'll explain more things, guys, later. I've seen that I'm experiencing some commotions that are affecting me in the background. So your pending orders, let me say you want to put an at market order. At market order, you will simply do what? You simply click buy or sell. Then you'll be in the market instantly. The way I've done, you'll be in the market instantly. You'll be in the market instantly. You can ask me questions if you don't understand, please. You can ask me questions if you don't understand. So let me select my pending orders. This sell limit buy stop is a pending order, buy stop limit is a pending order, sell limit is a pending order, buy stop is a pending order. So if I put a sell limit, let's say I was anticipating that because of this support area, guys, let me mark it. Because of this support area that I'm drawing. I was speculating that when the price gets here, it will do what? It will drop up to somewhere here. So what I will do, since I don't want to be in the market during that period that the price maybe got here, I'll do what? I'll execute an order called a sell limit. So what I will do, I'll just put the price where the place where I feel that when the price get up to, it will fall. So I'll set there my sell limit. My sell limit will be at 81,434. My sell limit will be at 81,434.27. So what I'll do, I'll just come to this circle, click it, then I click this arrow. Remember guys, what I've said will be at 81,434, right? Then I'll set my price. Click that one, then it was 81,434.27. Then I'll click the stop loss. The stop loss maybe could be at 85,900. The stop loss maybe could be at 85,900. 85,900, like that. Then my TP maybe could set it at 60, 68, not 68. Could set it at 60, 65, yeah, 65, 65,000, like that. Then I do what? I come back and let's click, let's I click, guys, click place order. So this is, guys, my stop loss, and this is my target. This is my stop loss, and this is my target, right? So I just click place. You get it? So that is how my trade could be set, right? So guys, you can see that my my pending order is here, which is a sell limit order, which is at 81,434.27. Then my stop loss is here. So my analysis was that when this price get up to here, when this price get up to this 85,900, 85,900, I could get out of the market, right? Then also, if the price gets in this area, which is 6,500, so this is my target. This is my target, guys. This is my target. This is my stop loss, and this is my pending order, which is a sell limit, right? Then that is how pending orders are set, right? That's how pending orders are set. Similarly, I can delete this order, guys. I I can delete this order. I can delete this order. I can come to this trade. You can see my my order is here. My order is here. This is my order, which is a sell limit order, right? So when that order is there, it is simply reminding me that I put an order. I put an order in the market. So if the price gets here, it will eventually, according to my analysis, if the price gets here, let's say the price is here, right? The price is here, right? So according to my analysis, the price is here, guys. So according to my analysis, when the price gets gets uh, gets uh, gets from there up to up to from there up to sorry from there, if my price gets from there, sorry, if my price gets up to there, my anticipation is that, or my speculation, I'm speculating that this price will fall, right? This price will what? Fall. This price will fall. This price will do what? This price will fall, right? This price will fall. So as we anticipate that this price to fall, let me delete this one. Guys, sorry, something is stuck here. Not expecting that this price will do what? Will fall. This price will do what? Will fall. Will fall. Just a minute. I want to give a clear elaboration. This price will fall. This price will do what? Will fall. This price will what? Will fall. This price will do what? Will fall. Good. This price will fall up to my take profit. So this is where my take profit is, guys. That is where my take profit is. So my anticipation that this price will get up to here, then it falls down up to here. It will get up to here, then it falls up to here. Why? Because I'm seeing this support area. I'm seeing this support area that can act as a resistance. You see, because it has previously acted as a resistance. So this support area can, I'm anticipating that it will prevent this price from getting higher than this area. You see, higher than this area. So if I put that pending order there, that sell limit, my expectation is that the price will fall. Then I'll make some profit. I'll make some profit if the price falls up to here. Yeah. So I'll explain more pending orders on another video. So let me explain more concepts here. Let me explain other things here. So let's say that you are seeing this quote. You are seeing these quotes there. This quote, they're just the what? That is just the asset that you can trade, right? That's just the asset that you can trade. Like let's say you can pick like even this asset called Euro USD. You can just open it. You can just click it once. Then you click chart. It takes you to the chart, guys. When it takes you to the chart, you can see what is happening here. What is happening here, guys? See what is happening here. And see what is happening here, right? So you can see that we have some changes in the price movement. You see, these are a market that I was doing some analysis, but I don't want to